Good morning, students. Welcome once again to e-learning class of mathematics. Today we will start with a new chapter, chapter 15. Name of the chapter is Constructions. Exercise 15.1 is not included in your syllabus, so we will start with exercise 15.2. Question number 1. Draw an angle of 75 degree with a protractor and bisect it using a pair of compasses. For this, we have to draw 75 degree angle first. We draw a ray OB and now we keep protractor such that the starting point of ray, that is O, and this point of protractor will lie on each other. And baseline of protractor and ray coincide with each other. Now, this baseline will represent 0 degree angle. Now, we have to draw 75 degree angle. Now, starting from here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and then 80. And we know that 75 lies between 70 and 80. Therefore, the middle line between 70 and 80 will represent 75 degree angle. Now joining this dot with starting point O, we get angle of 75 degree. Now taking OS center and small radius, we draw an arc. AOB is angle of 75 degree and this arc intersect OB at P point and OA at Q point. Now we have to bisect this angle. So with center P and radius equal to more than half of PQ, we draw an arc. Similarly, with center Q and same radius, we draw another arc. These two intersect at R point. Now join OR and produce it to C. Thus, OC bisects angle AOB. Angle AOC and angle BOC will be two equal parts of angle AOP. Question number 2. Using a ruler and a pair of compass, construct angles of the following measures: 60 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree and 45 degree. Dear students, you have studied how to construct these angles using protractor in class 5. Now in class 6, you will learn how to construct these angles which are multiples of 15 using a pair of compasses and ruler. To draw angle of 60 degree, we draw any ray OB. Now taking OS center and small radius, we draw an arc. Taking OS center and any small radius, we draw an arc like this, which intersect OB at Q point. Now taking QS center and same radius, we draw an arc which intersect first arc at point R. This point is R. Now join OR and produce it to A. Join OR and produce it to A. Thus, angle AOB is the required angle of 60 degree. To draw 30 degree angle, we will draw 60 degree angle first. As we know that 30 degree is half of 60 degree, so we bisect 60 degree angle to construct 30 degree angle. So using compass, we draw angle of 60 degree first. Here QOR is the angle of 60 degree. Now we will bisect this angle. For bisecting 60 degree angle, with Q as center and radius equal to half, greater than half of QR, we draw an arc like this. With center R and same radius, now we draw another arc which intersect first arc at point, you can take it S. Now join O and S with scale and produce it to C. Thus angle BOC, this angle BOC is of 30 degree angle. Now to draw angle of 90 degree, we draw any ray OB. Now taking O as center and small radius, we draw an arc. Which intersect OB at point Q. Now taking Q as center and same radius, we draw an arc. This is an arc of 60 degree. Yes. Now name it R. This point R. Now taking R as center and same radius, we draw another arc. This will be of 120 degree. This arc will be of 120 degree. If we join O and S, you will get angle of 120 degree. As we know that 90 degree lies between 60 degree and 120 degree. Therefore, now taking arcs with center R, we draw an arc, and with center S, we draw another arc. These two arcs will intersect each other at point, we can take it as T. Now when we join OT and produce it to A, we will get, thus angle AOB is the required angle of 90 degree. Now we have to construct angle of 45 degree. To construct angle of 45 degree, we have to draw angle of 90 degree first. As we know that 45 is the half of 90 degree. Therefore, to construct angle of 45 degree, we construct angle of 90 degree and then bisect it. Here we draw angle of 90 degree using compass. This POQ is the angle of 90 degree. Now to bisect it, we draw two arcs, one from point Q and one from point P, because this POQ, this is the angle of 90 degree. Now taking Q as center and radius equal to greater than half of PQ, we draw an arc like this. Same with radius and center P, we draw an arc. These two arcs will intersect each other at point, take it point as C. Now join OC and produce it to A. Join OC and produce it to A like this. Thus angle AOB is of 45 degree. In question number 4, we have given draw a line segment PQ is equal to 8 cm using a pair of compasses. Find the point R such that PR is equal to RQ. In this question, we have to find a point R such that PR is equal to RQ. It means we have to find the midpoint of PQ, that is R, which divides PQ into two equal parts. For this, what we have to do? Yes, we have to find the perpendicular bisector of PQ. To draw perpendicular bisector of PQ, we have to take P as center and radius is equal to greater than half of PQ. PQ is 8 cm and half of 8 is 4 cm. So we will take radius equal to more than 4 cm. You can take 4.3, 4.5 cm and draw arc first from P above PQ and first and below PQ. Similarly, taking Q as center and same radius, we draw an arc above PQ and below PQ. If your arc does not intersect, then you have to produce the arc like this. Clear? Two arcs will definitely intersect each other. Remember it. Now, may these two arcs will intersect at point X and Y. Now join XY using scale. Thus, this R point will be the midpoint of PQ. Question number 7 is draw an angle PQR is equal to 90 degree using a protractor. Now draw angle ABC is equal to angle PQR using a ruler and compass. For this, we have to draw angle of 90 degree first using protractor. Draw a line first and keep the protractor on the line such that the starting point of the line and this point of protractor will lie on each other. And the baseline of protractor, this line, baseline of protractor and the line will coincide each other like this. Now 90 degree. This is 90 degree angle. Now put a dot on it and now join starting point and this point. We will get the angle of 90 degree and name it PQR. PQR. Now we have to draw angle ABC which is equal to angle PQR using ruler and compass. For this, we will draw a line first. Clear? And name it BC. Now at starting point B, now at Q point, we will draw an arc. With center Q and small radius, we draw an arc. Now at B point and same radius, we draw another arc like this. Name this point S and T. As we have to draw angle ABC is equal to angle PQR, so with center D and radius is equal to ST. We draw an arc DE. Now we join BE with scale and produce it to A point. Thus, angle ABC is equal to angle PQR. Thank you and have a nice day.